Hi guys, today I'm going to share these beautiful miniature ideas that you can easily make. So I have taken this bottle and using M-Seal I'm going to make some kind of features like face, eyes, nose, arms, etc. And I have taken this type of wire and I have doubled it using a masking tape and given the shape of the leaf. Now I'm going to attach 3 or 2 together to make a bunch of the leaves, and using green tape I'm going to roll it all over the wire, and one by one I'm going to attach all the leaves on it together. This is I'm using for making the rose. And now I have made some kind of features of the doll as well. So like this I made her hands, and I'm going to paint it with gesso as a first layer. Let it dry for some time, and now I'm going to use skin paint to make its face, arms also. And I have made this shade by mixing little bit of pink, blue and white. I'm going to paint it. And for the hairs I have mixed a little bit of blue, black and red. I wanted to give her hair in the tone of burgundy shades, so I have painted it. Let it dry for some time, and I have also made one ribbon rose. Then take a empty lid and I have stick thermocol sheets into it, and using green paint I'm going to stick it. So now I'm going to stick my doll as well. I have made many features of this, and this is how it looks. Now for the astronaut, I have taken one small lid, one ball shape, one bangle which I was not wearing. I'm going to reuse it, and firstly apply it and apply a layer of gesso now, and using black paint first paint the lid. This ball will be working as the moon, and here I have already taken one astronaut. I got it from a open magician box that we get. And first paint the bangle with yellow, let it dry, and using golden dust powder I'm going to highlight it. So this is how it looks, like this. Let it completely dry, and this is the final look. Now for the next doll, I have taken one lid and attached one cap. I also made some features with M-Seal only, paint it. I'm going to paint the face with skin paint, and then I'm going to paint the other features of it. I'm going to paint the hair with brown, making some facial features dressed with red paint. So this is the final look. I've also made its eyes, nose, ears, whatever. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Take a goodbye.